Bonjour! Today I'm going to show you how to use the new student portal of Alliance Française Calgary. As you'll see, it's a very easy to use tool that will help you navigate through all of your courses. You'll be able to interact with your teacher, your fellow students, and you'll see everything that's happening in your classes. So let's take a look.
To go on the student portal, you can go on www.afcalgary.ca/af/students. Here you can enter your email address and your password. You will find here different categories: your group courses, your private courses, the timetable, a module to book another class, your profile and your invoices. Here in the group courses you will see your upcoming classes. For instance, I'm registered for the A21 class that runs from March 20 until April 17 with my teacher Sophie. If I click here, you go on the course feed. Here you will see all the messages that will be posted by your teacher, your fellow students and the admin staff of Alliance Française. For instance, your teacher posted a welcoming message with the Zoom link here. She pinned that message on the top of the page so it will always stay on the top. Under that you have other messages. She posted an assignment, another student posted a message. So there's 4 parts in that page: the course feed, your assignments here with the deadline, the documents uploaded by the teacher, and the other students in the class. You see your teacher here and the other 5 students in the class. If you want to post something, you can just go here and type anything and add some media if you like a picture or a sound. And it will appear chronologically in the course feed after the pinned messages. On the right, you will find some information about your next class and your schedules. Let's go back on the left. You have some information about your private courses. I don't have any, so it's blank. Your timetable, where you will find all your courses here, private and group courses. I don't have any this week, but it'll start March 20. You can book a course just like on our website. And there is your profile page. If you like, you can complete this page with a picture and some more information. And finally, in the invoices part, you will find all your past purchases. I only have one invoice for this class.
I hope this video helped you understand how to use the portal. If you need any help, don't hesitate to contact us. You know our phone number and our email address, and we'll be here for you. À bientôt!